So this is my new MacBook Air, which I have recently ordered from Walmart, and let me show you what are the features. So this is the box, and it's 13.3-inch Retina LED display, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB SSD space, and its core processor is Intel iCore 7. And now let's unbox this and see what's inside. So it's quite tight. This side. Dun-dun-dun. So this is the new MacBook Air 13.3-inch Retina display, and the color is gold. So what's in the box? The box, we are getting one charging cable, one adapter for charging, and these are some of the warranty papers. And yeah, I'm getting sticker of Apple. So let's clear it up and let's check what inside this. So I'm going to open this up. This is the new MacBook Air. It's very thin. You can see this is very thin, so that's why it is known as MacBook Air, and it is very lightweight as well. So this MacBook is very much useful if you are going somewhere and you want to work outside. So this is a very portable laptop, that I would say, because it is light. And yeah, see, this is the screen. Let me remove this one. Yeah, see.